Let's make goat meat stew. Wash clean your goat meat, season with salt and diced onion. Blend onion, garlic, ginger, coriander seed, dried rosemary, and vegetable seasoning. Pour the blended mixture onto your meat and let it cool until it's soft and tender. Next, fry your goat meat and put it on the side. In a separate pot, go in with oil, season with bay leaf, curry powder, sliced onions, and paprika powder. Blend onion, sweet paprika peppers, coriander seed, and shrimp seasoning. Pour the blended mixture into the oil and go in with tomato paste. Next, blend your plump tomatoes or fresh tomatoes and pour the mixture into the base of your stew. Stir and let it cook for 40 minutes and go in with your fried goat meat and the stock. Stir and let it cook for 10 minutes. Now finish it off with some grated nutmeg and onion rings, and voila, there we have our goat meat stew. Serve and enjoy.